Hi everyone, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and you know what this is? This is the first round of the Stitching Cosmos Fiber Exchange for 2020. So a lot of you heard what I was doing is we are hosting a fiber exchange. This is great, so if you're looking for lots of different fibers to use with couching and things, we have asked our students to wrap on their cards 3 different colors, 10 feet of each, on 20 cards and mail them in. Once they're all mailed in, then what we're going to do, every 20 we'll take and do the swap and see what, and then we'll mail them back to you. So I am going to actually open up a few of these. We've got Debbie from Napa. I'm going to open yours up right here, and I haven't peeked at yours, so we're going to open it up and see what you have sent in, because I'm going to be part of the fiber exchange also. Oh, that's awesome. You put it in a one of the sealed pieces. That's awesome. No wonder it fit in your packet so nice. So we'll open that up, and I love the colors that you have done. Here, let's open up one more here so you can see how exciting this is. We have Tina from Illinois. She has sent in fibers as well. So like I said, we're going to get all of these switched around. The swap is happening. Oh, I see some fabulous fun pinks. Oh, that's a great color combination. So we've got kind of a light, the black, and the purple in the middle. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these out, take all these out of our bag, switch them with 20 different people, put all the new ones back in the bag, and then send them back to you in the envelope that you have prepaid for me to do that with. So if you are interested in doing the fiber exchange, this is going on all year. There's information below this YouTube video of how to participate. This is part of our Stitching Cosmos online course. So if you are a student, this is open to you. If you're an Heirloom Creations customer in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, you can participate as well. If you're not a student and you want to do this with maybe one of your local groups, that would be something that you could even host and do your own fiber exchange. So I know I saw some from Canada, and there's just a little of everything. So I'm so excited. We'll take some pictures of all the fibers that are going into the bag so you can see the whole array. So each person is going to end up with 60 different fibers from all over creation that you'll be able to use in your future projects. So I'm looking forward to doing it, and I better get wrapping a few more of my cards, because I have a feeling there's more of these coming. It's been kind of fun. Our mailman has been delivering these packages daily, so he's been having some fun. Just wait till he has to pick them all up. All right, thanks so much. I hope you have fun watching all of our pictures and videos on our fiber exchange.